Hey dude, it's Andy here. So I download another locomotive from the download station. This is the DV Class 23 locomotive. This was built for the Deutsche Bundesbahn. This was a German passenger locomotive, but I decided to download this and let it pull some American rolling stock, like these boxcars. And check this out. These wheels are spinning fast. What's up? Alright. I'm ready. Give me some ideas of my decent breakfast. Yep. This was built for it has 262 wheel arrangement. And we're equipped with Class 22 T31 tenders. These were designed to replace the pressure P8 engines built between 1924. Also, this is during the Cold War. This is a West German built engine too. There were 105 of these built. These were retired back in 1976. The top speed is 68 miles an hour. 70s are preserved. All those locomotives are painted black and red. See the black paint on the top and red was on the bottom. Here's the whistle. You notice this is a passenger locomotive, but it's still fun for this locomotive to pull box cars. And then there's more locomotives to be seen in this video. I'll get that squared away soon. This is a J class. This is steam locomotive. This is for the Indiana Western. For those of you who watched I Love Toy Trains part, I think it was like part 3 or part 4. I think it was part 4. This is based off the Norfolk and Western J class. Norfolk what? This is a 484, so 4 leading wheels, 8 driving wheels in the middle, and 4 trailing wheels. There's the whistle. There's the bell. This is the exact same bell on the Norfolk Western 611. So here it is. The top speed 105. And these were built between 1941 and 1950. In the Norfolk Western Roanoke shops. The first batch, number 600 and 604, were built between 1941 and 1942. And the 1942 unit had a booster engine on the trailer truck. Norfolk Western showed the War Production Board they reduced the availability numbers because of this. Were delivered without shunts and light with side rods due to limitations of using certain materials during the war to help the war effort. This is number 644. They're classified as J1. The NWJs were nicknamed Widowmakers due to mere dangerous derailments over the course of their history. Yeah, play with derailments is like the Amtrak SCP-40F. The service history of it, where that's the Powhatan named after like an Indian chief or something. Pocahontas named after Pocahontas. And the Cavalier between Cincinnati, Ohio, and Norfolk, Virginia. So the Southern Railways, Southern Railroads, Tennessee, Birmingham Special, and the Pelican. Also, one accident was back in 1956, number 611, which is preserved. The railroad on the Tug River near Cedar, West Virginia, while pulling the Pocahontas, was determined that he ran the engine at excessive speed around the curve. Also had a high center of gravity. In the 50s, the NW began purchasing first generation of these locomotives such as the E6s, E7s, and E8s. Winston Link, this is the guy right here. Check it out. That is the I think it's like a 8882, I believe. Well, West Virginia is coal country, no doubt. On June 12, 1946, number 604, well, this is the incidents on the locomotive. 1946, number 604, Harlan eastbound, Powhatan Air after departure in Ohio at 8:10 a.m. for Norfolk, Virginia. 8:13 p.m. The locomotive drove 4 miles west of Powhatan, West Virginia, due to an excessive speed at 56 miles an hour, killing engineer Grover C. Nat Roberts and fireman Beecher Lawson. In addition to 20 passengers, 59 car employees, and 1 train service employee were also injured. In pop culture, 611 was featured in the 2016 feature documentary called 611 American Icon, which represented the history of the locomotive and her restoration. Also, 611 made an appearance on Hit Run Real Videos Pocahontas Glory Volumes 1, 2, 5, and 7. Here's its model form in Trainz A New Era. So, now I think I can get some passionate coaches ready for them. I got a CNW, a steel diner car, a George Washington car for the CNO, plus it has some new cars, a Southern Streamliner car, a coach car, and let's see what else. Oh, Amtrak, Amfleet, 2 Amfleet cars, and a dome car, and so I'm getting an observation car too. So I'm just ready to head out. Here we go. Light on. Alright, let's head out. Ladies passengers, this is your conductor speaking. Please hold on to your butts. We'll be going pretty fast. We're going to move fast, dude, so hold on to your butts. For those of you watching at home, hold on to your butts as well, too. Also, 611. Also, seen this number 611 on the internet because of excursion trains as well too. I never got to see number 611. All right, now it's moving now. Alright, stripe curve up ahead. You're at the crossing, and I'm waiting for 611 to arrive. I don't see him yet. I hear the trucking sounds. Here it comes. Those are these side rods. Gotta move pretty fast. 96, 97, 98, and then almost there. 100 miles an hour. And 644. And 105. Oh, 104 is not that bad. So that's the J class steam locomotive of that's the and Norfolk Western J class. Now I'll just put in each class 1 through 5 at the very end. Now these are diesel road cars, or rail diesel cars, or whatever you want to call them. These three are for the New Haven Railroad. Now, if you want to know about these rail cars, you can go check out. Hold on, Engines of Via. You can check out Engines of Via, but RDC episode 7. But for the sake of this video, I'll do it anyway. Now here is what Bud rail diesel car looks like, or Budliner. It's a self-propelled diesel multiple unit, or DMU. Between 1949 and 1962, 388 RDCs were built by the Bud Company of Philadelphia. The same company, the same company where made the Bud Metroliners, right? The Bud Metroliner cars. The cars were primarily adapted for passenger service in rural areas with low traffic and a short haul commuter service. Also, these were less expensive to operate. Well, it's like a coach with a diesel engine attached. Here's the inside of one. Oh, so they're still in service today. These are an RDC3. Which says accommodates 48 passengers. A railway post office in a baggage section. It says here U.S. Mail Post Office. A few details about this one. Another RDC3, and this one is in this thing. I'm gonna do the details. Give me a minute. An RDC4. Now, an RDC4 is an RPO in a baggage section, so you can't accommodate for passengers. the car body has stainless steel. The top speed is 85 miles an hour, so also is the maximum speed too. The prime mover is two General Motors 110 diesel engines. This or Detroit diesel. It's a two-stroke cycle diesel engine. Also, the RDC-9 has one GM 110 diesel engine, while the RDCs 1, 2, 3, and 4 have two of them. Also, they're rated at 550 horsepower. The RDC-9 is 300 horsepower. The braking system was air brakes. Now there's the Bud Prospector. This was during the 1940s. The super-propelled rail car was not a concept in North American railroading. In the 1900s, steam rail cars were given away to gasoline led by McKean Motor Car Company. The newcomer was EMC, or Lismore Corporation. The Bud Company entered the market in 1932, just as EMC exited. Heretofore, Bud was primarily an automotive parts subcontractor, but it went to railroading. Now the variants are this one, SCP Railway RDC-4, the RDC-1, the RDC-2, the RDC-3, the 4, and the... Well, you can just read all this. Yeah, you can pause it. You can pause it and just read all this stuff. I'm not gonna read it all. I'll just put it right here so y'all can see it. Yeah, you guys can read from here. Nah, not gonna read it. Also, there was like a jet engine powered car, the EM497 Black Beetle. Also, there's like RDCs around the world, like in the United States, Canada, Australia, Brazil, Cuba. Well, Cuba has an RDC. Also, Cuba purchased these RDCs. Also Saudi Arabia. So here are the railroads that they bought. The ATSF, Santa Fe Railroad, Baltimore and Ohio, Boston and Maine, Canadian National, Canadian Pacific, Chicago and Illinois, Eastern Illinois Railroad, New Jersey Railroad, the CNW, Rock Island, Consolidated of Cuba. That's the name of a few. Here we are in Trainz A New Era. So the leading engine is an RDC-3. Now the RDC-3 again is a variant with a railway post office, a baggage compartment, and 48 seats. So now, let's head out. Here's the horn. Here's the bell. There's the cab of it, and also you can trace views too. There's the railway post office, and there's the seats. There's the luggage racks. Check this out. Men discover shift control Alt P. Alright, let's head out. Going a little fast here. That's the best run low, so this will be like a part 2 to this. With the crossing again. Here we come. So there you go. See you guys again in part 2 of another engine showcase. Thank y'all for watching. Subscribe for more vlogs, like and comment, and turn on that notifications bell. Keep it awesome. Be sure to give me a follow on Twitter at the Yanksman. Give me a follow on Google Plus as well. Thank you for watching. The info I used was Wikipedia. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. This is my dudes.